this quarantine situation, I have been spending lots of time playing games on iPad or watching TV or just watching outside our balcony thinking when will I go out to play. Studying at home has also become so monotonous.
Oh wow! What's this? Terral Loop game from Luma World. I am excited to open this. Are you? Okay, come on. So let's open it. It is a game from Luma World. It includes 3 activity books, 1 board game, 1 set of flashcards, some badges and pencil and erasers. I will show you everything one by one. Okay, so let's start with the flashcards. These are some mathematical questions. After calculating, you can check the answer behind the card by using the adapter. Okay, so let's try one. I will try this one. It is telling which digit is in the thousand place. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. I think it's 3. Now let's see the answer. The answer is 3. Okay, let's start with the activity books. The first is It's Your Birthday. This book will help you to plan your birthday party. This is Wild Safari. It is maths and general knowledge. This is Building Blocks. It's a number activity. Now comes my favorite part, the Terral Loop board game. It is a multiplayer board game which is educational and fun. It is educational because it helps our thinking. This game includes calculation. For example, I got a spot. This spot says pay dice 200. So I got 3 and 2. So I will pay 600. Whoever saves more dollar wins the game. It is fun because you can play with your family and challenge your friends. Look at this badge. It's so nice. Now instead of watching TV, I will play all these games.